Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the back camera on the Amazon Fire HD8 2020 model. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the tablet and follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the charger port or on the side using a picker and car pry tool. And then, using a picker or plastic car pry tool, gently move around the tablet to release the plastic clips on the frame. Take out the back cover and then disconnect the battery connector on the board. Next, take out the not working rear camera from the top right. Lift the lever and slide out the cable from the board. Next, place the new camera and secure the connector to the board. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, place the back cover starting from the top, and then ensure the clips are secured. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.